Send go by some whistler, cause of the parliament. I just been with the army. I just tell the chief, the wheelers. Sink and him as well. My friend JJ have the book in it. He was perfect, now fuck your fan. Or something gets shot, cool, and get it. Answer, jump, every lighter. Every lighter, every lighter. Sing again, every lighter. Level. From the bottom till now, ganja never kill a soul. I just got my friend to Paris school goal. Passing in a pump and then with them catch goal. Police want you to be the pump patrol. Because one church will leave, that's not what we roll. No confusion, nothing of it. Right now, me higher than any cell phone. Everybody in a Zimbabwe sing, sir. Every lighter. Give me back now, I want to sing something brand new right now. Somebody say unstoppable. Somebody say unstoppable. For the love. Zimbabwe! I want to talk to you for a minute. Can I talk to you for a minute? I want to say enough respect to every artist who's performing tonight. And some of the artists that never got to perform tonight, you'll make it to our next Manlity Festival. Big up my brother, Sir Colors. What you know? Yeah, go over that side of it. Listen to me now. I am a little country youth, just like the island. I'm a ghetto youth, just like you are. You see me? I wasn't born with gold spoon in my mouth, or silver spoon, or no spoon for that matter. You see me? What you're looking at right now is a living testimony of hard work. Here, faith, endurance, dedication. So every youth, once you have life, you have hope. Don't ever give up on yourself. This one is from my album, and this one is called Talk of the Town. My album is called Good Times. And if you are a hard-working youth, you're gonna recognize this song and you can relate to it. This one is brand new, read it. See, them idea like say everything nice, but they never believe in me like Rodney Price. Yeah, big up the general bounty killer, anyway, I bomb buckle out world, you hear that? Zimbabwe, pussy, they never believe in me, they never believe it, they never believe in me. And me come to your corners, one of shades in the throat, and the rain, me just take on in a check. This one is brand new, brand new, brand new. All who never believe in me just get fucked and richer than last week coming out. Man, suppose I'm over the pants, so you know me can't go. If you never get from me, I hear me bad luck. You've been dead full of lick like that Mexico. Genesis for the war, for me, I'm the liver. I'm a girlfriend, pretty pussy, no size. Me no fuck up, me girl, come me up with enough. What them sister pass, that what them sister pass. Look up dating and they keep on top of them last. I said, belly for them come because I get for them up. Having a chance of a touch. See, I'm pussy them, I'm pussy them. Them do me things and know they do to them. Let me be chown and me know, but me a never wait for me. Some say me not gonna make it come in Irish far. Now they watch for me and can't buy tree. If you don't know money, then you can't start one. Go try violate, can't know when they far. Because them ignorant, not blood clot. My trees is when we pass team. Somebody will kill his pussy, stick to your task. Rally be a piece, no scheme ass. Jesus a wheel warriors a pass off. R.I.P. said, R.I.P. Sash. Roll all the memories, can't feel that. Big up my little brother Ozzy. Hey, when we touch the road, everybody come a baller. Pussy them hate me, but I mean the wife a swallow. Me no borrow money, but you can't give me borrow. Be a sexy girl, the youngster from the bar. Men send me my orange Land Cruiser. Now I put some pussy in my user. Look for me chain, talk to me shoulder. Remember when me down, the music I'm a loser. Right now I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning. Zimbabwe, you're winning. Talk on the tongue, brother. Hey Zimbabwe, right now I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning. Zimbabwe, we are winning. Talk on the tongue, brother. Talk on the tongue. Somebody say hoy. Somebody say hoy. Different. Show me represent Zimbabwe. Some boy want basement. Show me Zambia, some them think they can. But that's the army, me say. Me say me not go to party, me go to Yena. Yo, Zimbabwe, hands up. Me not free. Me can't different. I got that loot. That's how you feel. Zimbabwe, bad man can't get. None of them can. Me read my Bible every. That's him. Me have no one for you, me have no one style. We never be in a heavy can get one. Some of them look to me smile, me no follow boy, me a leader from here. Some pussy bad man, them actual finding them the most gun. Them that show the high, who want to carry this one. Tell them me I know them Charlie Blood. Oh, me no afraid of no boy. Me can. I got that load. That's how me turn. Wanna sing? Bad man care. None of them care. Me read my Bible every day, so me no fear. What the time pussy girl them there Zimbabwe there? Ladies, are you ready to party? Ladies, are you ready to party? Really? We're gonna sing some something girl, you know. Me and tell you the truth. Ladies, are you ready? Y'all come position your pussy party come here, you know. Listen to me, walk up here, you know. Don't give me come, you the family. Pussy jump up in your buggy. Position, and everything Me no want no man to come here and bump clot fighting a bad man. This is a dancehall party. So any man who know no girl go look again. We don't want no man to fighting a this. Somebody say bump clot. If you love the girls of Zimbabwe, say bump clot. Let me sing this song. You're my girl now, let that talk, I don't care. You're my girl, how you doing? You are. Hold on, someone say me think up on the nothing, no not I know you to be me first lady. But no for them, I don't get time, if you're pregnant to bring me new. Me in the jams of people, no cruising in. Love, what's my last? It's another man's shelter. The world of the past, let's go on. Shit. Raga. Pick up the girls. Me never let you go. Because you're my girl now. I love that to hold me again. You're my girl now. Let them talk, I don't care. You're my girl now. And you don't have to hold me again. You are mine. Give me something, brother. Loving your style, loving you one. You will always be mine. I'm singing something here to the girls. See it in your smile, see it in your eyes. You're in charge. Think of the fat pussy, girl, you're true. I'm quick now. Wind up the body to the dance song. Enjoy my. Let's turn around. Wind up the nose, slow it down. Slow it. Do you know the song? Cause when you wine for me, you are my everything. Hey, your highness. Never say never, no. Never say never. Charlie now. No matter what about the past, me I give you a reason to love again. She tell me say Alex man used to beat her. She tell me say the boy used to ill treat her. Now she might go back this country boy, for sure. Well I'm bless you. Never know you coulda kiss me like this. You never know you coulda miss me. She never know all the things until she fall in love again. Zimbabwe never know how long to be so strong. She never know she coulda live in a countryman. She never know all the things until she fall in love. I want to say big respect to all my team and staff of fans right here. Back in the festival, big up to the Lord Buckle and Celtic and life and prosperity. If you love marijuana, say ganja! Say ganja! Zimbabwe, this is listen what the man from Chilani said. I'm chilling on the beachside, listen to some reggae music. Charlie's on the east side, hold up you can choose it. All I know is marijuana, it is blowing through my brain, my brain. 'Cause I'm not gonna again, I'm not gonna run today. I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna smoke, 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 smoke. Right now, we just defeat the first miracle on it. And right now, we know what's in the hand. Can you select up this up nice way? I'm Molly Dennis from Nassau. What is it up for your haunty killer? You know everybody I keep busting now. Two me and the brain feel like me the in a Guyana. Zimbabwe are Portugal. I'm not gonna run today. I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna smoke, 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 smoke. Wanna sing? I'm not gonna run today. I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna smoke, 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 smoke. It's true. You're chillin' in me barn and grow. No separation, the boy you go through. Alright, really can't give up. We want it to let. Yo, we know this year. Next year, I'm past. But me barn is so full. If we know this year. Next year, me have to step up me as well. Zimbabwe, if we know this year. Next year. They call me father so full. If me no rich this year, next year me have to step up. Hey, tell them well. Hustle every day. I'm a COVID and but you know me not straight. Me need money but me not go feed the wrong way. Me kids to go to school and the days up. Me nah make coats come to the fridge. I make me neighbor them. Those me have a pussy bill. I Zimbabwe me not pay. The girl them must have blue for me. If me no rich this year. Hold on. More sing and let's produce. Cause we don't know the thing. We believe in we. If you believe in yourself, say buckler. If you know you have big dreams and you must make it one day, say buckler. Yo, you know, so you couldn't blast for weed, Fanta, cheers for family, bomb hold on. Zimbabwe, are you ready? Zimbabwe, I want to know if you remember the song. I want to know if you remember the song. Because this is my third time coming here. And all I can tell you is Zimbabwe is my favorite place as usual. Nothing has changed. So right now, we just want to get bump up and done here. We're going to go to the dancehall side of things now. This is about the hip-hop. It's about the party. Zimbabwe! So you can't move it. Come on. It's true. Bubble baby, yeah. Some girl can't do it. Come in like them, who you say? I me say some girl can't. See them around out of breath. Let me say some girl can't do it. Come in like. The man never love woman and say pop. Zimbabwe, bubble for me, girl, bubble. Bubble for me like your hobby. Bubble for me, girl, bubble. Bubble for me, bubble for the what I say. Bubble for me, girl. Bubble for me like your hobby, baby. Bubble for me, girl. No time, girl. Bubble up, I to live so. Rub your lips like it's a kiss go. Bubble up your body, move up your lips so. Can't see no color, cocky, you're ready so. I could have done rock and live so. We love you when you turn and live so. Bubble up your body, you're ready so. Take it back to what you live so. Bubble to me, girl. Bubble to me like you have to be a girl. Bubble to me, girl. Somebody say bomb clock. like this right now. We don't know where you're from, but the thing up. Girl, if God send little bit with the kite, we follow you up on it.